Natural colon cleansing involves using pure, natural methods to detoxify the body and enhance digestive health. Foods rich in fiber, such as fruits and vegetables, play a crucial role in promoting a healthy colon and supporting detoxification. Incorporating yoga and herbal teas into your routine can aid in relaxation and enhance the cleansing process naturally. Whole grains and fresh produce are essential for natural colon cleansing, providing the necessary nutrients and fiber for optimal digestive health. Staying hydrated with infused water can enhance the colon cleansing process by flushing out toxins and supporting digestion. Practicing mindfulness and using essential oils can create a holistic approach to natural colon cleansing, promoting mental and physical wellness. Incorporating homemade broths and digestive spices into your diet can significantly boost your colon cleansing efforts while enhancing flavor and nutrition. Engaging with loved ones over healthy meals not only nourishes the body but also fosters emotional well-being, essential for effective colon cleansing. Engaging in gardening and preparing nutrient-rich meals like smoothie bowls can enhance your colon cleansing journey by providing fresh, wholesome ingredients. Creating a calming ritual at home, such as a relaxing foot bath, can complement your natural colon cleansing efforts by promoting overall well-being. Engaging in outdoor activities like hiking not only promotes physical health but also enhances the natural cleansing process by keeping the body active and energized. Incorporating superfoods like sprouted seeds and greens into your diet can amplify the effects of natural colon cleansing while adding variety and nutrition. Sharing healthy meals during outdoor activities like picnics fosters community and reinforces the importance of nutrition in your colon cleansing journey. Participating in cooking classes can inspire creativity in the kitchen, making healthy meal preparation fun and enhancing your natural colon cleansing routine. Pampering yourself with natural spa treatments can enhance your overall well-being and support the detoxification process of colon cleansing.